Valid 12Z Monday, March 30th, 2026. 12Z Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. A cold front will increase the chance of strong to severe thunderstorms and locally heavy rain from the Midwest to the Great Lakes to the interior. Northeast. Anomalously warm and dry conditions raise fire weather concerns across portions of the Intermountain West, Rockies, and into the High Plains. A system moving through the west will bring mountain snow, and the High Plains to New England could see wintry precipitation. The weather pattern will be picking up in a big way this week. The first order of business is to discuss the flash flood threat and severe weather threat across the upper Midwest to the interior Northeast over the next few days. Storms are likely to form along and near a stationary boundary, draped across Iowa, Wisconsin, and Michigan later this afternoon into the evening. The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for large hailstones greater than 2 inches. Going into Tuesday, the severe weather footprint will expand in size from Illinois eastward to upstate New York as storms refire along the stationary boundary. The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk for cities such as Chicago, Fort Wayne, Cleveland, and Buffalo for threats of large hail, strong winds, and a couple of tornadoes. Also, West Texas to western Oklahoma will see a marginal risk for severe weather on Tuesday as storms fire along a dry line and nearby frontal boundary in the region. An isolated hail and damaging wind risk may accompany any storms that do form. Flash flooding will be possible Tuesday from Chicago to New England due to the combination of relatively high plots, precipitable water in the atmosphere, and the potential for training storms along the front. The rainfall forecast calls for a wide envelope of 2 to 3 inches, though locally higher amounts may be possible. Fire weather will be a concern for the plains into the Intermountain West. Across the plains, Monday will feature elevated fire weather concerns as low relative humidities and gusty winds, over 15 miles per hour will be possible. Wyoming may see a higher critical fire weather threat, with low dew points and winds gusting over 25 miles per hour likely. A cold front moving through the Pacific Northwest will bring snowfall to the northern Rockies today. The Absarokas in Idaho may see an additional 6 inches of snow today. On Tuesday, another impulse of energy will move into the west and bring snowfall from the Sierra Nevada to the Rockies. Snow levels will be high, though high terrain areas over 8,000 feet may see snowfall accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. For Tuesday, northern New England could see some freezing rain on the cold side of the frontal boundary as moisture overruns. WPC probabilities for greater than 1/4 inch across Maine are around 10 to 30%. Be careful traveling as just a glaze of ice can lead to hazardous travel.